Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I cut this beautiful, nice, lovely hairstyle. Very easy. So my lady come to me with very dry hair and I cut her hair in very simple, easy hairstyle. So as you see, first you part this hair. So you take the first part to the front and then you comb the hair in the back like what I'm doing, and I'm separating her hair. That make it easy for me to style the hair and cut it in a perfect way. So I love to separate the hair and take some piece of hair and keep it like down this piece of hair. Now we have part the hair as you see. So we're gonna cut the first part and I comb her hair very good, so her hair is totally down. So as you see, I'm separating the hair again. So I'm taking as less hair I can to cut it perfectly. So try to comb the hair again and then take your machine and just cut that hair. So easy and simple to cut your hair home. If you want to cut your hair home, so just comb the hair and then put your comb there and measure the line where you want to cut and just cut the hair. See, measure the hair. It's easier to make the line perfect with the comb. If you have your comb in your hand, you see, so you get perfect haircut. So it's very easy to cut with a machine, straight like that. My lady wanted me to cut her hair as soon as possible. She didn't have so much time to wait. So I choose for this way to cut her hair. Very easy, very simple. So comb her hair again. And now we will find the first line we cut. So don't take too much hair. You must take a little bit so you can see the first line you cut here. So now we follow the same line. You see, just follow the same line. And the best is if you put the second line, it must be a little bit longer than the first line, so you get sharp line. You see, beautiful, very easy. See, we are putting like the second line is just a very 1 point only, longer than the first line, yeah? So you have sharp, nice, straight hair. So this is the third part. Well, it's the last part from the back, actually. So comb the hair perfectly, like I'm doing now. And then follow the gap line we had, the first line we cut. So the easy you do it with a comb, like I'm doing. I really love this technique because it is sharp, nice, beautiful, and you can cut it just perfectly. Let me know if you like this style, or did you ever try this way, or it's just easy and simple. You don't need to have a scissor here. If you have this machine at home, you can cut the hair perfectly this way. Okay, now we go to the side. See, just comb all the hair down and just try to cut the point perfectly. See, I'm just following my line, the first line we did. As you see, 5 minutes passed, we cut all the back. Just make sure everything is perfect. So, especially in the side, yeah? So comb the hair perfectly and you can see the line straight. Perfect. Now to the side. Yeah. This is so important to check that line when you go to the side because you are going to the front. So usually you want to check it 2 times to make it perfect line. Because we want to have a straight line, you see? And just slightly shorten in the front. Very little, very little. Now, ready. Perfect. Okay, so comb the hair down and use the machine. Simple like that. Perfect. I really love this technique. It's easy and simple. And you get professional, lovely, nice straight line. If you have more question or do you want me to do any style you like, let me know, guys. I would love to make it for you. If you have any comment, let me know. And please subscribe my channel. That helped me make more video for you. Thank you so much. See, this is the last part. So, comb the hair exactly like we did in another side. And then we just cut this hair. Perfect. See? Now, perfect. As you see, we're finishing cutting all her hair. But just to be sure, just take the hair in your hand and comb it perfectly and straight down. So you see if there is some hair left, so you can remove them to get a beautiful sharp hair. I really like this style and you see it's simple and beautiful. Look at her hair. She was very happy, my customer, with her hair because I really cut her hair 7 minutes, as you see in the video. It went very, very fast. She was happy, I was happy, everybody was happy. Let me know, guys, if you like it. If yes, please subscribe to my channel and put a like. If not, let me know what do you like to see. So after I cut her hair, I interviewed her. I asked her if she liked her hair. So she was really happy and she said she loved it. So I put a piece of that so you can hear the way she's talking. Amazing, beautiful lady. She visited us in Vivian Hair Design. I was really happy to do her hair. She's very nice lady and very, very positive. Listen to her, what she's saying now. In the interview, I talked to her. Here. So yes, guys, this was the style I did for my lady, Monica. I'm really happy she visited us. She liked her hair. She was very happy. I was happy. So let me know if you like it. And thank you so much for watching. I would say please put a like and subscribe to my channel so I'll make more video. Thank you. Bye bye. We are back here with our lovely model Monica from Norway, and this is her result. I will show you. Lovely, very nice hair, a nice soft line. So it's a very lovely one-length hair, easy and simple to wear. So we are here very happy with her hair. So, Monica, do you like your hair? Do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
Hello world. I love it.
Okay.
It's perfect.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for visiting us, Monica from Norway. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So we are here back with our lovely model from Norway, Monica. Yeah, this is her result. I will show you. Please, Monica, can you turn your chair a little bit so everybody can see your hair? Yes. Okay. Turn. Nice, lovely bob line. Yeah. So we are very, very happy with her hair. So Monica, do you like your hair?
Oh, I just love it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much for visiting us here in Vivian Hair Design. Bye bye.
Bye bye. I just love my hair. It's so perfect. Thank you so much for doing this.